Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Feeling a little bit hungover because we went out last night really randomly. Yeah, it's Monday. I've still got my stamp on from last night because I'm grim. I need to get in the shower and like sort myself out because I will actually feel a lot better then. But yeah, I've only got one lecture today, which is fine. So I'm gonna work on making myself feel better, shower, go to my lecture, and then just pass out for the rest of the day. No, I actually am gonna try and do some work again later because I want to stay on top of this work. It doesn't stress me out when the deadline's looming. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. I'll chat to you in a bit.
Let's sing a song full of hope, full of pain. Why don't you sing along, my friend? For it's our last refrain.
Me and Hat just nipped into Topshop and spent too much money. By accident. We literally just went to I went to a lecture and Hat went to a meeting, which he came out and we were just going to go get a milkshake, and we decided to go to Topshop and we literally spent so much money, like probably but we just got to live our lives, you know, and we need some winter clothing. Just desperately. Yeah, we'll show you the purchases when we get back, because that'll be cute. And we're just about to head to Neon Cheap because I haven't been in there yet, and Hat said it's amazing.
It's one of my favourite shops, it's so cool.
I don't need mugs, but I really need that.
You could throw one away though.
Pink speckled.
So cute.
Oh my god. Give me a heart attack. So we've just got back from town like about an hour ago, and I've just been shooting some content for a brand thing that I've got coming up. I'll show you guys a little sneak peek because I'm actually really excited about this. So Muller Light got in contact. I actually went to an event with them, I think it was July, and I got to see their little corner pop-up shop that they did in Westfield Stratford. It was amazing, like I absolutely loved it. It was so fun. The team were really lovely, so I thought it would be really nice to work with them again. And Muller Light specifically have brought out some new flavours of their Muller Light formula, and they've actually like recreated to make it like a new thicker recipe. We've got some gin and tonic inspired yogurts, which was so interesting to me. I was like, what the hell, that's so random. I've only tried the gin and tonic one, but I'm really excited to try the other one too, and it tastes just like gin and tonic. 0% fat, no added sugar, high in protein, it's veggie, it's wonderful, and I've just been really intrigued about the whole thing. So yeah, I've just been getting the content for that, and they've actually kindly sent it in a really cool little cooler bag, which would be perfect if we ended up going for like picnics or anything when it gets a bit warmer here. But yeah, it's really cute and personalised, and I got my own spoon as well, but it's all dirty. Me and Hat also ended up buying stuff, like we said earlier, from Topshop. I got this necklace, which is so cool. It's like double chained. Ooh. Need to get it all out. It's double chained. I'm really into thick gold jewelry, as you guys probably know now, and it has this little like coin. It sort of reminds me of like Fendi or Versace or something like that, and then like this really thick gold chain. It's all like in one necklace. And you guys on Instagram told me that I can just use clear nail varnish to avoid the whole green discolouring of like cheaper jewelry, because I can't really afford to buy like real gold jewelry every time I want to change up my jewelry. So I didn't really know that was a hack, and neither did my friends either. So thank you very much to everyone who told me that. Like I had like an influx of messages saying you can put clear nail varnish on it and it stops it going green. So yeah, if anyone else didn't know that, there you go, little tip. But yeah, I got this necklace. I also got this really pretty like green cardigan. Hey, you've got your haul upstairs, haven't you? So I also bought this cow bag. I literally fell in love with it. I'm really obsessed with cow print. Like it all started last year when Skinny Dip released their coats. I've got my coat up there. It's like, there it is back there. It's gonna come out soon when it gets cold. The cow coat. Yeah, I decided to buy this cow bag. It's so pretty, and it's just like a nice little like sort of like almost clutch sized, but you can still fit in all the essentials. It's got a really thick gold chain as well. I wouldn't have bought it if it didn't have like a long strap, so really loving that. And then I bought this like really sort of like ugly green oversized cardigan. I got it in a size small, which I definitely am not, but because they're like really oversized, and I wanted it to be like not quite tight but like quite fitted ish, so I got a size small. And I'd highly recommend, even if you're like my size, like a size 12, it's really comfortable. It's like such a lovely like material, and it's just really cute. And I love how it's got like a low V, so you can see like necklaces really well. They're really visible. I don't know, I just really like it. I think it's a vibe, and I love the ugly green colour, so big fan. ever? Are you the cutest ever?
Close to the sun. Keep holding on, keep holding on. And I'll be right there. Close to the sun.
Hello.
Close to the sun.
Ooh, ooh. Boop. Boop. Say hello to. Ooh. Ooh. Oh my god! He's fit a whole carrot into his mouth!
Like a real carrot.
Oh no, like. Oh my god! Hippo!
He'll empty it now, watch it.
It's not wicked.
Oh my god!
Is it a straw? Could I find white goods? That's it.
He goes into his little tube and coughs it up.
That's horrid.
Yeah.
What the hell?
There it is.
There it is.
There's food on the floor.
Where I belong. Oh god. Oh, okay.
Oh my god! Hot water bottle gone wrong.
She'd what to head with?
So I'm just about to go to bed. Make sure to hit a thumbs up if you've enjoyed today's vlog. I had a lecture earlier about mapping and surveying at disaster victim sites, and so that was really interesting. Tomorrow I think I have a 2-hour IT lab session, which I'm actually not sure what it's going to be about, but I think we've got like either a guest in or someone coming in. So I'm really intrigued to see what that's about in the morning, and then I've got a lecture in like late afternoon about the drugs of abuse and toxicology. So I will see you guys tomorrow. Make sure to hit a thumbs up if you've been enjoying the uni vlog, subscribe down below if you're new, and I will see you very soon for a brand new vlog.